When it comes to choosing the right tools for ship maintenance and crew recovery, there are several key factors that can make all the difference. First and foremost, let's talk about purpose. Each tool should serve a specific function and be tailored to the unique challenges of maritime operations. Whether you're dealing with routine maintenance or emergency repairs, having the right tool for the job can save time and prevent accidents. Next, durability is non negotiable. The maritime environment is harsh. Salt water, extreme temperatures, and constant movement can wear down even the best equipment. Investing in high quality, durable tools means they'll withstand the rigors of life at sea, reducing the need for frequent replacements and ensuring reliability when you need it most. Portability is another crucial factor. Space on a ship is often limited, and tools need to be easy to store and transport. Look for compact designs that don't sacrifice functionality. A tool that's lightweight and easy to handle can make a significant difference, especially during those long shifts when fatigue sets in. Now, let's not overlook ergonomics. Tools should feel comfortable in your hands, reducing strain during prolonged use. Ergonomically designed tools can help prevent injuries and improve efficiency, allowing crew members to work longer and more effectively. Remember, a comfortable crew is a productive crew. Equally important are the tools that focus on crew welfare. These tools might not be the first thing that comes to mind, but they play a vital role in maintaining morale and productivity. Think about items like relaxation spaces, fitness equipment, or even simple comforts like good quality coffee makers. When crew members feel valued and cared for, their performance improves and the overall atmosphere on board becomes more positive. Incorporating tools that support mental and physical well being can lead to a more cohesive team. It's about creating an environment where crew members can recharge, both physically and mentally. This investment in welfare tools pays dividends in terms of productivity and retention. In conclusion, when selecting ship maintenance and crew recovery tools, focus on purpose, durability, portability, and ergonomics. Don't forget the importance of crew welfare tools, as they are essential for fostering a motivated and efficient team. Making informed choices in these areas not only enhances operational effectiveness, but also contributes to a healthier, happier crew. Remember, the right tools can transform the way you work and live at sea.